In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal in Canva to sell. Whether you're looking to share your passion for journaling with the world, or simply want to create a unique product to sell, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, let's delve into the world of Canva, a versatile and user-friendly online design tool that's perfect for crafting beautiful journals. To begin, open Canva. Once you are on the homepage, head over to the search bar and type journal. This will direct you to a treasure trove of templates designed specifically with journaling in mind. Take a moment to browse through the collection. It might feel overwhelming, but this is your opportunity to explore and find a design that resonates with the vision you have for your journal. The array of templates might vary, from minimalist designs to more detailed and ornate options. Once you find a template that piques your interest, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This is where the magic truly happens, as customizing lets you inject your personal style into the template. Canva makes it easy to modify elements with its intuitive drag and drop interface. You can change colors, adjust layouts, add your own images, or even insert additional design elements like icons or illustrations. This flexibility ensures your journal is as unique as you are. Now, let's talk about text. Text is not just a functional element, it's also a crucial design component that contributes to the journal's aesthetic. Highlight the sections of text you want to change, and you can easily edit the font style, size, and color to match your theme. Feel free to insert inspirational quotes or prompts to guide the journal user through a reflective or creative process. The key here is consistency, ensuring that your font style and color palette remain cohesive throughout the journal. As you customize, continually preview your journal to see how it looks as a complete piece. This will give you a sense of the flow and readability, as well as help you make any necessary adjustments. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export your creation. Canva provides multiple options for exporting, and you can choose the file type that suits your needs, whether it's a high-quality PDF for print or a shareable digital format. Take note to set the resolution high enough for clear printing if you plan to produce physical copies. By following these steps, you've successfully crafted a journal in Canva that reflects your design sensibility and creative flair. Not only is your new creation ready for the world to see, but it also stands as a testament to what you can achieve with a bit of creativity and the right tools in hand. Remember, with design, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and happy journaling.